Boy comes under masculine or he gender, and girl comes under feminine or she gender. Father comes under masculine or he gender, and mother comes under feminine or she gender. Grandfather comes under masculine or he gender, and grandmother comes under feminine or she gender. Uncle comes under masculine or he gender, and auntie comes under feminine or she gender. Brother comes under masculine or he gender, and sister comes under feminine or she gender. Prince come under masculine or he gender, and princess comes under feminine or she gender. Lion comes under masculine or he gender, and lioness comes under feminine or she gender. Wizard comes under masculine or he gender, and witch comes under feminine or she gender. Rooster comes under masculine or he gender, and hen comes under feminine or she gender. Bridegroom comes under masculine or he gender, and bride comes under feminine or she gender. Man comes under masculine or he gender, and woman comes under feminine or she gender. King comes under masculine or he gender, and queen comes under feminine or she gender. Sir comes under masculine or he gender, and ma'am or madam comes under feminine or she gender. Husband comes under masculine or he gender, and wife comes under feminine or she gender. Headmaster comes under masculine or he gender, and headmistress comes under feminine or she gender. Monk comes under masculine or he gender, and nun comes under feminine or she gender. Bachelor comes under masculine or he gender, and spinster comes under feminine or she gender. Son comes under masculine or he gender, and daughter comes under feminine or she gender. Nephew comes under masculine or he gender, and niece comes under feminine or she gender. Author comes under masculine or he gender, and authoress comes under feminine or she gender. God comes under masculine or he gender, and goddesses comes under feminine or she gender. Bull comes under masculine or he gender, and cow comes under feminine or she gender. Peacock comes under masculine or he gender, and peahen comes under feminine or she gender. Gander comes under masculine or he gender, and goose comes under feminine or she gender. Drake comes under masculine or he gender, and duck comes under feminine or she gender. Shepherd comes under masculine or he gender, and shepherdess comes under feminine or she gender. Emperor comes under masculine or he gender, and empress comes under feminine or she gender. Priest comes under masculine or he gender, and priestess comes under feminine or she gender. Milkman comes under masculine or he gender, and milkmaid comes under feminine or she gender. Hero comes under masculine or he gender, and heroine comes under feminine or she gender. Widower comes under masculine or he gender, and widow comes under feminine or she gender. Gentleman comes under masculine or he gender, and lady comes under feminine or she gender. Heir comes under masculine or he gender, and heiress comes under feminine or she gender. Businessman comes under masculine or he gender, and businesswoman comes under feminine or she gender. Waiter comes under masculine or he gender, and waitress comes under feminine or she gender. Founder comes under masculine or he gender, and foundress comes under feminine or she gender. Host comes under masculine or he gender, and hostess comes under feminine or she gender. Manager comes under masculine or he gender, and manageress comes under feminine or she gender.